At the University of Delaware's Alfred Lerner College of Business and Economics, our impact is transformative excellence, reshaping the business and economics education for tomorrow. A distinctive learner education delivers exceptional teaching and goes further. It's rigorous, future-ready, and powered by experiential learning that turns knowledge into action.
Students apply what they learn in real time through opportunities that help them solve problems and drive results. From co-ops, consulting capstones, and study abroad, students gain real-world experience that advances career readiness and lifelong success, preparing them to lead anywhere in the world.
At Lerner, we help students build their professional edge through a strong community of support, through personalized career coaching, leadership development, and meaningful connections with mentors, alumni, and employers. We empower students to explore opportunities, gain real-world experience, and confidently navigate their professional journeys.
Through pioneering scholarship, Lerner's faculty bridges disciplines and borders, advancing knowledge creation, thought leadership, and societal change. Our research tackles complex business challenges and drives industry impact.
At the center is technology competency. Lerner leads with AI-driven programs that prepare graduates for a workforce reshaped by innovation, keeping every blue hen globally competitive.
Through experiential learning, pioneering research, global reach, and an unwavering focus on student success, our vision is clear. Lerner College is transforming business education, cultivating ethical, future-focused leaders who adapt to change, and driving solutions to global challenges.
At Lerner, we don't just imagine the future of business, we're shaping it.